everyone, it's Julia. I am back with another Etsy update. I have been working on my flower pins. These are fabric flower pins, all made out of parts of sweatshirts. And these are made from the sweatshirt bands. You can kind of see it. They're all very handmade. The sweatshirts that I use are pigment dyed, so they have that wash look to them. They have a real homespun look to them. They're layers of several different colors. And I do cut these with my Sizzix Big Shot. Then I free motion the layers together so they have stitching on them. On the back is a high quality pin back, one that doesn't snag. I sell a lot of these for, I have a couple people that buy them for, like, if they knit hats. And they just work well for a hat because they don't stick out real far. They're quite flat. Also they're cute on totes and bags and just embellishing a lot of different things. Scarves, lapels, that type of thing. I have several different colors made, and I just kind of went crazy to use up some scraps that I had. I have these listed in my Etsy shop, and I will link the section down below. So if you're interested in some fun flowers, you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.